Most people fail selling AI to local businesses, but there are also beginners who are selling it. It's because the trick is not convincing business owners, it's showing them. That's why I created an AI demo that does the convincing for you. And in this video, I'm giving it to you for free. Okay? If you don't believe me, check this out. So this is the entire AI demo I was just talking about that's pre-built out, that if you're struggling selling AI, this will help you tremendously. Now, I've put a ton of stuff into this. As you see here, looks pretty cool, clean website, but we also have AI agents in here, okay, ones that can talk to you on the phone, ones you can talk to via chat, smart forms, calendars, AI agents, automations, a ton of different stuff wrapped up into this one demo to help sell for you. Now, here's the interesting part. I'm giving this to you for free. Now, I want to let you know something. I am a lot different than other people online. And I'm different in two different ways. Number one, everything you see in this video, I'm going to give you for free, okay? Yes, I'm not selling you some outdated course or some high-ticket coaching upsell. None of that. I want to give you this for free because I know how it feels to be online and be sold a bunch of bullshit. I've been there. I've bought the courses, got the t-shirt. I've done it all. It's not worth it. That's why I want to give you something risk-free that you can try and see if you like. That's my goal. That's why I'm giving it to you free. Number two, I've actually walked the walk, okay? I've been doing this for a long time. And if you see right here on the screen, I've actually won awards doing this thing, which is selling AI and software to local businesses. I've actually done it. Okay, so I want to let you know that I'm also walking the walk, not just talking the talk. Where if you go online and you see a lot of these other YouTubers, guess what? They're just good at creating YouTube videos. That's it. Me, well, I've done it, and I've also won the awards and sold to businesses. You can go on my agency website and see my testimonials. Okay, so those two things I want to let you know that I am here to help, and I'm not trying to sell you some random stuff. And on top of that, I've actually done this, so I technically know what I'm talking about. So now that you understand who I am and what this demo is and everything, I now want to walk you through how it's going to be self-selling. Check this out. So the way you get local businesses to buy this, which is what I've seen work the best, is in two steps. Number one, you have the AI demo itself. And then number two, you use the instant pain point sales method to basically get them on the right free trial, and then so you can actually collect money. That's what I've seen work the best. So the way this process works is they would come in, whether you're getting them through cold email, cold SMS, or however you're approaching these business owners, they have to try the website out. So what you can do is basically tell them or guide them when they come on here, say, try the AI chatbot, let it call the number, and you're basically guiding them to see how this smart website, okay, what you're seeing right here, sells their customers. So important. Not how it sells them, but their customers. So much of the time, a lot of you guys are online pitching stuff to business owners that only helps them. Or you technically want to help their customers, but it comes across as just helping them. When they come in here, they can demo this entire site live and see how it sells their leads. For example, they could come into the AI chatbot, start talking to it, and see how it would schedule handyman appointments in real time. Or they could call these numbers or click this chat with voice and talk to this AI agent on the website, which makes the website speak to see how it would close their leads. You see how powerful this is? They are seeing in real time how this demo is going to close their leads. That's when the dollar signs go off in their brain. So check this out. They come in and they try this out.
How can I help you today? Hey there, I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. Sorry to hear about your faucet. Let's get that sorted out. Can I start by getting your name?
Yes, it's Declan the Wizard.
Got it. That's Declan, D-E-C-L-A-N, right?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Thanks, Declan. Could I grab your email address next? This way, we can keep in touch about your faucet fix.
Yep. It's Declan the Wizard 1234587 @gmail.com.
All right, let me confirm that. D-E-C-L-A-N Thewizard 1234587 @gmail.com, correct?
Yep.
Great, thanks. Now, could you share your address so we know where to...
So obviously I can just keep going and they'll book an appointment with me. They'll send people out, or I can ask it questions. I could say, hey, how's a handyman? You can ask it whatever you want. But in real time, they're seeing how it's going to close their leads. Guys, I could probably talk for the next hour on this, but I'm not for the sake of time. It's that little key point that is so important that you have to understand. Also, guys, if you have any questions at all during this video and you're like, what the hell is this guy in a robe saying? Drop in the comments down below. I will answer them personally, so don't worry. I mean, you can go on my channel. I answer all my comments, so it's going to be legit. So that's really important that you get that thing. But now this moves on to the next step. They come in, they demo this, they try it out. They're like, this is awesome. Well, what do you do now? Because you're kind of stuck with them being interested, but it's like, How do you guide them into a free trial or paying you? Like, what's the next step? And that is using the instant pain point method. Check this out. So essentially, you're going to take this self-selling system that I have for you that's completely free. I'm going to show you how to get it for free in just a sec. And what you're going to do is you're going to go up to a local business. Now, you're not going to do what most people do, which is, hey, I'll set this thing up for $1,500 and you can pay me $297 per month to operate it. Now, if you are a well-established agency, by all means, do this. The problem is a lot of you guys are beginners and the gurus are already well-established. So they're telling you what they do, not what you should do. Bad move. It's one of the biggest mistakes I see these guys online make. They're telling you what they would do, but they have YouTube channels and ads and they have a lot of money, but you're a beginner or you're just a little bit more advanced. You don't know a lot, so you have to use everything at your disposal. So what you need to do is you need to lead with a free trial. Because what happens is if you immediately charge right out the gate, you have to perform really well. Because if you don't perform well with this AI system, you don't set it up properly, well, guess what happens? They don't trust you, they leave because you set their expectations way too high. Instead, what you should do is you should come in, you should axe these two right here, come right in, price anchor them, say, I'm going to give you a completely free setup. Normally costs $1,500. You don't just say it's free. You say, normally $1,500. I'm going to give it to you for free, and I'm going to give you 14 days of this AI Smart website completely for free. That's exactly what your goal is. Now, here's the trick. You're offering a valuable service, just like you saw with the AI voice agent talking, where it can do customer support and sales via text and voice 24/7. You're guiding them a free trial. Their expectations go low because you're like, I'm giving to you this risk-free. Then what happens is after the 14 days are up, if you set this up properly, guys, this is the key point. Some of you guys are not setting this up properly, which I'll show you how to set it up really fast in a second. You have to properly set it up so the value is there. Because if you're actually answering the phone, booking appointments with them and doing it, what will end up happening, okay, is after the free trial, you'll just end it. You're not going to try to pitch them. And if you've set it up properly, they will immediately feel the pain, hence the instant pain point method, of not having the phones answer. Trust me, this works like magic when you do it right. Then they are coming to you, not the other way around, not you begging people for money, constantly, hey, I want this, and they don't see the value. They feel the value. Remember beginning when I said if you're struggling with AI, you have to show them? Okay, part of showing is making them feel that they've lost something. That's the key, because from there, they will then come to you going, why did you turn off the AI chatbot? You're like, well, your trial's up. And then from there, you have the leverage and you dictate the price. It's just like when your electricity goes out. Okay, are you just going to sit there and go, it's fine. Let the foods in the fridge spoil and just kind of will be cold or hot or whatever. We'll just do that. No, you won't. You'll be like, okay, shit, I got to pay my bill. Like, you're going to do it. And that's what you want to be. You want to be where it's necessary. They're like, this was solving a real problem. Now we want to pay. That's the trick with this. And the other cool thing is you can sell this to pretty much any business. I know this is a handyman business setup I have, but you can sell this to plumbers, dentists, lawyers, chiropractors, landscapers. I mean, tons of different businesses. Like, it's unlimited pretty much. Any business that takes calls or answer messages. So you have a big, wide array of people you can sell to. So that's pretty much how this demo is going to work. Now, you're probably wondering, well, this is all great, but how do I get my hands on this free stuff? Because I said it was free and I promised it was free. Well, how does this work? Well, let me explain how this process works and how I built this. So the way I built this entire demo was using a software called Go High Level. Okay, and yes, I have a link down below, but here's what I want to do for you. Because I said everything was free, and it is. You can have this entire thing for free. Like, that's not going to change. But what I've done with the software, because at first I was like, okay, they got to use the software because they can't just be nowhere. You have to use something. I was like, I want to get it to them risk-free. So what I did is I talked to the team and I worked out a 30-day free trial, not a 14-day, a 30-day free trial. That way you can come in, try this software for free, get this entire thing for free. And if you don't like it in 30 days, you can leave. That way it is risk-free, but also 14 days I think isn't enough. So I've worked it out to get you that 30-day free trial, and that link is right down below so you can get access to that and all of this for free. But what I also want to do, because I'm like, well, they'll have this, then they'll be confused, is I actually want to give you in that 30-day window access to my entire community for free. That way you can get hand-holding if you're a beginner or trying to scale and you're not lost. And in this community, you can ask questions, get answers. It's very vibrant, as you see, full of winners. We have tons of extra trainings, resources, more pre-built out systems like this. Tons of them, okay? Like, lots of them. And we even have 7 live coaching calls at the time of this video that you can attend for free. You can even talk to me on them on Zoom, message me whenever you want. Guys, these are legit agency owners that you can talk to like this on the call face-to-face. Like, you're not going to find this anywhere else. And guys, This is free. You do not have to pay me if you're using my link. And then here's the thing. I am so sure in myself and so sure in this community. Again, if you try this out, you get all this stuff I have, you try high level and you really hate it, you can leave. 30 days, see ya. Risk-free. I guarantee you're not going to find anyone else offering what I have with this risk-free of a trial. Now, yes, you're not just going to click buttons and get rich. There's no such thing as a get-rich-quick scheme. That doesn't exist. But if you're really looking for something real, where you can put the effort in and actually try something, this is the best thing I've seen. And again, all of this stuff you're getting, the community, the calls, the hand-holding, the trainings, all of these awesome templates is free when you sign up with that link right down below. And if you have any questions on this, guys, drop them in the comments down below because you might be a little confused. You might be like, well, this is kind of weird. You can also click the link and see some of the testimonials and what people are saying about me so you can see that I'm legit. Because I don't want you to just make a quick decision. I want you to actually look into me and be like, okay, he's actually legit. I want to be transparent. But now what I want to do is, now that we've covered the basics, I actually want to go through setting this up in under 3 minutes. Yes, I'm going to set this up in under 3 minutes. That's my goal. I want to actually prove to you. I'm going to time myself. I really want to prove to you guys that this stuff works, not just saying, oh, it's good. I'm going to show you. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to time myself and set this thing up once you get it so you can see just how beginner friendly this really is, not just me yapping away. You can actually see this. So let's get started. All right, clock goes on now. Okay, so we come right in here, where the first thing we're gonna do, once you download this snapshot, so it has all this stuff in high level, we're gonna go to AI agents, we're gonna come to voice AI, and we're gonna come to agent list. We're just gonna go right to Aaron, okay? If you wanna change the name, you can, but everything else is good. I wouldn't go around playing with these voices. Like, just leave the AI agent the way it is. I've already set it up. If you wanna do stuff, you can, but I've set it up properly. The only thing you're gonna need to do is either buy a number for like $1 or take their existing number and port it in or do call forwarding. That way, their numbers can be answered. Or you don't have to do that at all, and you can just use the voice widget on the website like this. You can also do that, which works perfectly fine. It's up to you. But either way, I got you covered. So this, already all set up. Nothing else you need to do. And then you need to come right in here that says Conversation AI, come to Agent List, go to Aaron, okay? Make sure it's on autopilot because it might be turned off. And then from there, change the business name if you need to. Then you're done. Don't go changing stuff. I've already set this up. Now, if you want to improve it, by all means, go do that. But if you're a complete beginner, it's just going to overwhelm you. You've already set everything up to work properly. Then from there, once we get all of this stuff working properly, you're then just going to come right down to sites, go right down to websites, come right to the handyman site, click edit in new tab. And guys, I'm really just walking through all the stuff you need to get this working. Again, you're always going to want to test after you build this. Don't just immediately say it's good. You want to test your AI agents, like going in and talking to them like I did earlier. But all you're going to do is change these phone numbers if that's what you want to do and you got a phone number or you took their existing number. From there, you're good to go. You don't even have to connect a domain to this to demo this. You can literally just send it to them. This exact thing right here, which is completely free. It's that easy. Timer, stop. That's it. And for the automations, you can set these up. If not, if you're more advanced, if you're super new and you're a complete beginner, don't worry about this. We'll teach you that later in the community. But that's it. Like, that's it. It's that easy to get a working demo up. That's all you have to do. You got to download the snapshot, plug it in, and then you're good to go. And then from there, you obviously want to get into the community, come to the calls, and really learn how to sell this and get in front of business owners, because that's a whole other topic. But that's it. It doesn't get any easier than that. And again, guys, I'm going to say this for the last time. I created this to be as simple as possible. That way you could just come right in, okay, get the tech, and then focus on selling. Not being overwhelmed by tech, then having to buy people's courses and being all over the place. None of that. Just a simple, smooth transition right into you selling it and focusing on what matters most, which is getting this into business owners' hands. Well, that's it. We've come to the end. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions at all, drop them in the comments down below. I will answer personally. If you are interested in high level, there's also a link down below, so check that out. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to link a video at the end of this video that's going to show you more about the community and what you get access to, so you can see this is legit, because you still might be skeptical. You're like, who is this guy in a robe telling me all this stuff that sounds too good to be true? Check out the video at the end because it's going to explain a lot of this in more depth so you can see really what I'm about and really that the stuff I give away is free. And it's amazing. Like, I'm not kidding you. It is amazing. You will see it is more valuable than what most people give away in their $10,000 coaching and consultant packages. I'm telling you, it's the real deal. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and make sure you watch the video that pops up at the end of this one.